Here we will see sessions in PHP. An alternative way to make data accessible across the various pages of an entire website is to use PHP session. A session creates a file in a temporary directory on the server where registered session variables and their values are stored. This data will be available to all pages on the site during that visit, that is, until the user closes the website. The location of the temporary file is determined by a setting in the php.inf file called session.savepath. Before using any session variable, make sure that you have set up this path. PHP session technique is widely used in shopping websites where we need to store and pass cart information like username, product code, product name, product price, etc. For this, PHP session creates unique user ID for each browser to recognize the user and avoid conflict between multiple browsers. Here, user 1 sends the request and the browser creates unique session ID for that user. A PHP session is easily started by making a call to the session start function. This function first checks if a session is already started, and if none is started, then it starts one. It is recommended that to pull the call session start at the beginning of the page. Session variables are stored in associative array called session array. These variables can be accessed during lifetime of a session. Now we will see how session variables are better than cookies. Although cookies are also used for storing user related data, they have serious security issues because cookies are stored on the user's computer and thus they are open to attackers to easily modify the content of the cookie. Addition of harmful data by the attackers in the cookie may result in the breakdown of the application. Apart from that, cookies affect the performance of a site since cookies send to the user data each time the user views a page. Every time the browser requests a URL to the server, all the cookie data for that website is automatically sent to the server within the request. The first step to starting a PHP session is to start up a session. After session is started, session variables can be created to store information. The PHP session start function is used to begin a new session. It creates a new session ID for the user. Here code is written to start a new session. Here session start function is called. Session data is stored in a key value pairs using sessions superglobal array. The stored data can be accessed during lifetime of a session. Code for storing the session variable value is given below. Here first session is started and then roll number and name or session variables are declared and the value is assigned to these variables. Data stored in the sessions can be easily accessed by calling session start and then by passing the corresponding key to the session associative array. Here code is given to access the session data with two session variables roll number and name. Here first session start function is called and then with echo the name of the student is printed along with the session variable name. And similarly roll number is also printed along with the session variable roll number. To delete only one certain session data, the unset feature can be used with the corresponding session variable in session associative array. Here code is given to unset the roll number session variable. Here first session is started and it will check the session variable is defined or not, and if it defined, unset the session variable roll number. The session destroy function is used to completely destroy a session. The session destroy function does not require any argument. Here simply session destroy function is called.